Unraveling the Mystery of Whirlwind Trip, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, whirlwind trip. This expression is not only vivid but also quite common in English conversations. So, if you're ready to dive in and learn something new, let's get started. Whirlwind trip is a metaphorical phrase in English. The word whirlwind refers to a column of air moving rapidly around and around in a cylindrical or funnel shape. It's fast, dynamic, and covers a lot of ground quickly. When we add the word trip, it transforms the meaning. A whirlwind trip is a journey or excursion that is very quick, highly dynamic, and usually covers a lot of activities or destinations in a short period. It's like a fast-paced tour or visit, where things happen back-to-back without much rest. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in context. For example, we went on a whirlwind trip to Europe, visiting 4 countries in just 5 days. My business trip was a whirlwind. I had meetings in 3 different cities in 2 days. In these sentences, whirlwind trip conveys the sense of hastiness and activity-packed schedules. Notice how it gives a vivid picture of the trips being fast-paced and full. English has many similar expressions. Some of them include, flying visit implies a very short stay. In a jiffy means something done very quickly. On the go describes continuous activity or movement. These expressions, like whirlwind trip, are great for adding color and emotion to your English conversations. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase whirlwind trip confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the vivid pictures they paint. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the dynamic journey of language learning. See you in the next video.